Hello students, welcome to the first episode of 2025.
Dang it, I already got that wrong.
Oof. Oh, I'm sorry, man. No.
Blooper.
I didn't see it, bro.
Olivia is getting hit in the face with a dodgeball.
Really?
Wait, I have a joke. Or I have a question. Oh my god. Is it a joke or a question? Wait. What are you...
Yours?
Good one. Let's do a few more jokes.
Hit me. Not like that.
Expecting that. Dodgeball.
No.
At us. Throw it at us.
It's just weird. I want to get hit in the face. No, not me. What the... It'll only get easier.